Welcome to our video about DIY versus professional faucet repair. If you live in Calgary and need to fix your faucet, you may wonder whether to do it yourself or hire a professional. In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of each option, so you can decide what to do. Let's get started. If you enjoy tackling home improvement projects, you may be tempted to repair your faucet yourself. DIY faucet repair can save you money, and it may be a satisfying challenge. However, it's important to remember that plumbing mistakes can be costly and dangerous. Depending on your level of skill and experience, you may want to stick to simple tasks like fixing a leaky faucet or replacing a washer. If you're planning a more complicated repair, like replacing a valve or installing a new faucet, you should consider hiring a professional. If you're not confident in your plumbing abilities, or if you don't have the time or tools to fix your faucet yourself, hiring a professional can be a wise choice. An experienced plumber can quickly diagnose and repair your faucet issue, and may offer a warranty or guarantee for their work. Additionally, professional plumbers have the expertise and equipment to handle more complex repairs, such as fixing a water pressure problem or installing a new fixture. However, it's important to do your research and choose a reputable plumber to avoid scams and poor quality work. So, should you choose DIY or professional faucet repair in Calgary? It depends on your skills, tools, and comfort level. If you're confident and capable, DIY may be a good option. If you're uncertain or facing a more challenging repair, hiring a professional can save you time and money in the long run. Whatever you decide, don't ignore faucet issues, as they can escalate and cause serious damage. We hope this video has helped you make an informed decision about faucet repair. Thanks for watching.